Okay, so this is my implementation of Boids. The white objects you can see moving around here are the Boids that are not obeying any laws right now, so they're moving in some random direction, and you can see if they impact a wall. So let's watch this guy. He impacted a wall, and he flipped around. This guy does the same thing. So unlike the Boids simulation we saw, these birds are constrained to this environment, which is 1024 by 768. So we have sliders here for the different gains that we can control. So this one is the congregate gain, and this will make all the birds move to the centroid. So we crank that up, and they'll all meet somewhere in the middle. One thing you'll notice is some of the birds are taking a little bit longer than usual to get in, and I've built in a logic so that if any of them hit a wall, they don't obey any rules for about 5 seconds, and then they start doing what they're supposed to be doing. So they're all gathered here, and they're trying to get towards the centroid, which is something moving with them. And so if I turn on my separation gain, this will try to make them move away from the centroid. You can see them spreading out. I turn it down and they go back into a point. And if they hit the wall, you'll see in a second they're just going to disperse randomly, and then after a few seconds they're going to start following each other. So now what I can do is I can turn on align. So now they should all be trying to go in roughly the same direction. You can see them heading down this way. And if I turn on congregate, they'll also move towards each other. So they're going to move towards each other and try to move in the same direction, so you can get a nice flock here. If I turn on separate, they'll spread out a little bit, and they bounce off a wall. And I also have a wind slider here, so I'm blowing them to the corner, and I can blow them back the other way. So you'll see them getting blown over there. I can change the direction any way I want, so I can change it till I get them to essentially stand still. If I lower the concentration, congregation, and change the wind direction, I can actually get them to stay almost still. And if I turn the congregation all the way down, turn the separation all the way up, turn the align all the way down, turn the wind off, they'll go back to a random ordering.